My team member Shakil Ahmed. Introduction. An online fast food delivery application is a user-friendly and convenient mobile or web-based platform that brings the world of fast food to customers' fingerprints. With just a few taps on their smartphones or clicks on with their computer, users can explore a vast array of fast food options, place orders, and have their favorite meals delivered to their doorstep in on time. Motivation. The motivation behind online food ordering system lies in providing convenience for customers, expanding the customer base for restaurants, streamlining operations, enhancing the overall customer experience, leveraging marketing opportunities, adapting to market trend, and driving revenue growth. This system cater to modern consumer habits, offer transparency through real-time tracking, and have become especially crucial during time to restriction such as COVID-19 pandemic. Scopes or features, user-friendly website app, menu display, online ordering system, secure payment option, review and rating, search and filter options. Gap analysis, definitions, object, identify key performance indicators, access current performance, establish benchmark, identify performance gap, root cause analysis, develop action plans, resource allocation. This slide, food order booking and receiving flow. This is the one kind of flow diagram. At first, customer open apps and look through menu, and customer choose item and order placed. Then restaurant confirms order delivery and customer received food. The next slide, technology, tools and technology uses HTML, CSS, Sublime, JavaScript, web browser, Microsoft Office. UML diagram. Class diagram, component diagram, use case diagram, state diagram, activity diagram. At first, class diagram. Customer login ID. Customer have ID and password. The customer at first login, select restaurant, place and payment. Delivery order, check the order, delivery, the order, system order, menu card, restaurant list, customer ID and password, payment option. Payment option has three method: bank, CDOXO system, cash on delivery. This is a component diagram. This is visual representation or component diagram. Then use case diagram. There are three methods: admin, customer, and restaurant tab. Customer, admin, and restaurant tab, they are related each of other. This is state diagram. This is state diagram. Then activity diagram. And this is home page. customer select product menu card category view product at my card item food item customer at first customer sign in yes or no, then the payment option review ordering, and then customer check out and order confirmation. This is SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. Strength. Convenience. Customer can easily browse menus, place order, and make payments from the comfort to their homes using mobile apps or website. Efficiency. Automated order processing reduces errors, improves order accuracy, and speeds up the entire food delivery process. Payment option. Integration with various payment methods allows for seamless transactions, including credit card, digital wallets, and other online payment options. Feedback and rating. A customer can provide feedback and ratings, helping restaurants maintain quality and improve their services. Cost efficiency. Restaurants may benefit from cost saving in terms of reduced order taking staff, efficient resource utilization, and optimized inventory management. Weakness. Technical issue, dependence on the internet, data security concerns, limited personalization. Some systems may struggle to provide highly personalized recommendations, resulting in a generic user experience that may not cater to individual preference effectively. Order accuracy issues, miscommunication or misinterpretations of order can occur, leading to incorrect deliveries and customer dissatisfaction. Opportunity, market expansion, mobile app adoption, partnership and collaboration, community engagement. Partnership and collaboration, forming strategic partnership with restaurants, delivery service, or other platforms can create synergies and expand the range of available options for customers. Community engagement, building a sense of community through user forums, social media, and local partnership can enhance brand loyalty and customer engagement. Threats, competition, security concern, dependency on third-party services, quality control. Dependency on third-party services, relying on third-party delivery services may expose the system to external factors such as delivery delays, quality issues, and disputes with service providers. Quality control, maintaining food quality during the delivery process can be challenging, and negative customer experience related to food quality can harm the reputation of the food ordering system. This is cash flow. 8% interest. Cash flow, expenses, revenue, cash flow, accumulating cash flow. The present value cash minus 78,116, and the present expenses value 116,000. So this is a profitable project. The next slide described my team member Shakil Ahmed.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shakil Hussain. I will describe SRS. A template for a software requirement specification SRS of online food ordering system. Introduction, purpose, the purpose of this software requirement specification SRS document is to provide a comprehensive understanding of the requirement of developing online food ordering system. Scope. The scope of the project includes the development of user-friendly online food ordering system. Definition, acronyms and abbreviation. Individuals accessing the platform to browse, order and manage food deliveries. Restaurant establishment offering food items for online ordering. SRS software requirement specification. API application programming interface. CSS cascading style sheet. HTML hypertext markup language. SSL source sockets layer. QR code quick response code. Reference, no external reference apply to this SRS document. Overview, the document serves the guide of building an efficient online food ordering system, outlines the user experience from browser, restaurant to placing order, the technological aspect of the system, utilizing technologies like Django and where the food restaurant information will be stored, possibly using a relational database. The overall description, the product perspective, system interface. Main interface access the online food ordering system seamless through a user-friendly website on any device. A future mobile app may be considered to the enhanced convenience. Restaurant integration connect with restaurant database to update available menus and details automatically. Interface, hardware interface, mobile compatibility, printer support, QR code scanner, software interface, restaurant menu, integration, operation, product function. Restaurant and menu browsing, order placing and tracking, user characteristics, registered user, restaurant owners, managers, deliveries, delivery delivers, guest user, constraints, the time and effort required for restaurant onboarding. Scalability concerns with increased order, operating environment, responsive design, assumptions and dependencies, functional payment gateway service, availability of menu data from restaurants, specific requirement, external interface, user interface, restaurant and menu browsing, ordering management, user account management, hardware interface, printers, QR code, software interface, restaurant menu integration, email and SMS service, social media platform, communication interface, SMS optional, social media communication function, and etc. shopping cart management, order placement and tracking, platform requirement, logical database requirement, preference, order number, data user list, review user food item rating within review text, data security, design constraints, software system attributes, reliability, target uptime, error handling and recovery, availability, scalability, load balancing, caching, security, user authentication and authorization, and data encryption, source payment processing, portion assist, SQL injection and cross-site scripting, regular security audits, user data privacy, maintainability, version control, document code reviews, scalability and performance, load testing, resource monitoring, contact delivery network, usability, accessibility, responsible design, compatibility, integration testing, system testing, security testing, user acceptance testing, UAT, preference testing, validation criteria, system reliability, source environment, accessibility guidelines, appendix, glossary, supporting document, etc. Limitation, technical issues, lack of physical interaction, delivery challenges, dependence on third-party services. Future work, offer a convenience ordering experience, efficiency, streamline the ordering and delivery process, deliver menu, provide a variety of food options, customization, allow order personalization, real-time tracking, enable order tracking, accuracy, ensure precise order fulfillment, customer engagement, foster loyalty through program, feedback, collect customer feedback, improvement. Conclusion. In conclusion, developing online food software offers the potential for increased revenue, streamlined operation and improved customer satisfaction, success high on continuous adoption, adherence to regulation and commitment to enhancing the user experience. And thank you so much.